Hello everyone, welcome to the next section of videos where we are going to understand the concept of regular expressions in Java in detail. And these particular concepts are very important, not just from Java point of view but from the other programming languages as well. This is a common concept and very important from the interview point of view as well. So the regular expression, or the regex, defines the search pattern for strings. When we want to search something in the string, some matches in the string, we can use a regular expression. So the pattern can be anything from a simple character or just a word, or it can be a complex expression which helps us finding the particular matches. Like, let's say we want to find all the special characters from the string, or we want to find all the words which contain specific characters in the string, or we want to find out, say, some digits, some numbers in some specified range inside a string. Then in all such cases we can create a regular expression pattern, and that is what we are going to learn in this video tutorial, in this video and next few videos, that how to create those patterns and what are the different concepts around it, like what are the meta characters, what are the quantifiers, how to create regex for complex patterns, etc. is what we are going to see in these sections. So in this particular video today, we are going to understand what is regular expression, what is the use of it, why do we need it. So let's understand this concept by taking a simple example. Let us say we have a string which is a number. Okay, so string 1 is a phone number, something like this, +1, and then we have some numbers here. And what we want to do is, from this particular string str1, we want to remove all the non-digit characters, which are not digit, and then we want to get another string which contains only digits and then display that string. So to do that without having the knowledge of regular expression, how do we do normally? We will use the simple replace statement, where we'll find the plus sign and replace it with nothing, find the hyphens and replace those with nothing, find the opening bracket, closing bracket and replace it with nothing, right? So let's do it by the conventional approach. Let's do it. Let's take str2 and str1 dot replace, and let's start with plus sign and replace it with nothing. Then let's use the hyphen, replace it with nothing, the opening bracket, replace with nothing, and finally closing bracket, add it again and replace it with nothing. So this is the way we can do it without using a regex, but it is not a very effective approach. If you display the output, it's fine. When we run this program, you see the output contains only digits, all the non-digits got removed from the string. But let us say tomorrow something gets changed. Let us say this hyphen gets changed to a hash sign, and this program starts to fail. You see the hash sign in the output, and then we have to maintain it. We have to go and add another replace, which replaces hash with nothing, right? Which is not a very effective way of doing things. This can be simply tackled by creating a regular expression pattern which represents all the special characters in the string. If you create a regular expression pattern, that can be used to search all the special characters and replace them with nothing, then doesn't matter a new special character gets added or removed from the string, it will always get replaced. So for example, if you want to do it that way, the pattern can be something like, let us say, and it is again a string, a pattern is again a string only, something like, what is a special character? Anything which is apart from capital A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9 is a regular is a special character. And how do I derive it? How I created this pattern? We will understand this slowly in the next sessions. For now, just understand that this is a regular expression pattern which is now representing all the special characters from the string. And when we use this pattern to replace all the special characters with nothing, it replaces all of them. We don't have to use this long replace statement. So let's use a string and use something like str1 dot replace, and in this case we will use replace all with regex. So use this pattern and replace with nothing. And when we display the output of string G also, when we run this program, you see all the special characters gets replaced. Now something else, let's say some special characters getting added in the string. I'm just randomly adding some more characters just to let you know that it is not going to hamper anything. It's always going to find all the special characters and replace them with nothing. So when you run the program, look at the first output. We need to maintain that, but the second is fine. All the special characters are always getting removed, so it can be very handy, very useful to use regular expressions, and mandatory also. You need to know, if you want to effectively work in the Java programming language, the use of regular expressions. So this is the example that I wanted to take to demonstrate why do we need regular expression and what are those. Now in the next few sessions, let us understand a bit by bit how to create the patterns. Let's first understand how to create the simple patterns. We'll understand some basic characters and stuff like that. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you in the next